You are Dan Dan.
You Dan Dan. I'm Dan Dan. You're Dan Dan. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Yunus Rashid, and today I have Gizu with me. We are making what? The whisper challenge. What's the whisper challenge?
I don't know.
You don't know? You want to make the video with me? See this guy. The whisper challenge is someone will put these speakers on and I have to play music and then I have to guess what she's saying. Like I have speakers, the music is like too loud, but I have to guess what she's saying. I know you will know the meaning later, don't worry. So make sure you subscribe and what?
Turn on notification.
And hit that like button, like bum like this, and let's start.
Yeah.
صح?
So we will start with English words.
You starting?
I will say a cat can catch a mouse. A cat can catch a mouse.
What?
Okay, I'll make it hard. A cat can catch a mouse. Cat.
Again.
A cat.
Hat?
Cat. Meow 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 meow. Cat.
What's
Cat.
what's this?
Cat.
You mean cow?
Can.
Cat?
Cat. Can.
Again. Slowly, yeah. Slowly.
A cat
Cat.
can.
Catch.
Yes, a cat can catch a
A
mouse.
cat can catch mouse.
Yes.
See it slowly, word by word, just like
You
this.
did it.
Elastic heart. Elastic heart.
What?
Elastic heart.
Elastic heart.
Almost. Yeah. It's the song. The song you are listening. The name of the song. That's what I was asking.
Elastic heart.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
So now it's the Chinese one.
Okay. Nima fan.
Me, my friend.
How do you know that? Like
Too easy. She usually calls me this. Nishiji. Nishiji.
Nishi
I didn't say chi.
Nishi
What chi?
Nishiju
No, that's your.
Huh?
Actually, that's mine. Nishiji.
Nishichi
Not shiji.
Chi
But say.
Huh?
Yeah, it's correct, but say Nishiji. G.
G
Jiro.
G.
She usually calls me Nishiju. Call her Nishiji. Because she's. Actually, Ju is worse. Nishiju. Ow! Nishiju.
You are listen you are the ball
The
guy
ball.
I know ever. The full sentence. You are the ball guy I know.
You are the ball dan tokon.
No, what the hell? No. No, I say you are the ball
The
guy
ball.
I know.
Dan.
No, only the ball is the word.
Slowly.
You are
You are
the ball
the ball.
guy.
And
Guy.
you.
Girl. Guy.
S-
Guy. Okay, you
I'm-
are the ball.
You are the ball. Of course, you are Dan and the ball. And she's the ball. Mali Salah.
Mashallah.
La, no. Mali Salah. Arabic is Too difficult.
Male Salah.
Oh my god.
I would say Yalla Ingale. I know that you never know this one. Okay. Yalla Ingale. Yalla Ingale. Okay. He means slowly. Yalla Ingale.
Huh?
Yalla Ingale.
Kim.
Yalla Ingale.
Ingele. Ente Ingele.
No.
Ingele.
Yalla Ingale. I make bad words up.
Ingele.
Yalla.
don't
Yalla
know.
Ingale.
Yalla Ingele.
Yes.
Yalla Ingele.
Okay, which language now?
Somali.
Oh,
I'll make it easier for you, don't worry.
no.
Guys, her Somali language is really nice, better than Isa. Someone مستقبل ملأ. ما في عنتي. ما في عنتي. ما في عنتي.
ما في أي شيء.
It's Somali, not Arabic. Somali.
Somali.
Yes. ما في عنتي. ما في عنتي.
ما في يدا.
Anti.
أداي.
Anti.
ما في يداي.
No, almost close. ما في anti. ما في anti.
ما في أهداي.
Almost. You got it. ما في anti.
ما في أنتي.
Yeah.
I said it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So I have to use Somali word.
Yeah.
Okay. Hagetagisa. So I think, where are you going? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hagetagisa.
Huh?
Hagetagisa. Hagetagisa. Hagetagisa.
Wait. waxaan la yaabay.
No, ding. You heard this word from Ethiopian song, right? No, not Ethiopian, no, Somali. Hagetegisa.
What? Yeah, he said word by word.
Hagetegisa. Hagetegisa units. Let's make it a sentence. Hagetegisa.
xagee tegaysaa?
Yes.
That's my language.
Okay. Which language?
Amharic.
Yes.
Amharic.
Okay.
But yeah, all I know from Amharic, Ethiopian language, whether it's Oromo, Amharic, it's bad words. In Danish, Danish.
I knew it.
In Danish, Danish.
In Danish, Danish.
In Danish, Danish. In Danish, Danish. In Danish, actually it's a song. That's why I said it.
In Danish. Okay. I'll give you a Amharic word which is very easy for you.
Like I know.
Yeah.
You know that I know.
Yes.
صح?
Yes, I know that you know. Anchi anta.
Huh?
Anchi anta. Anchi anta. Anchi.
Anta.
Anta.
Auntie.
Huh?
Auntie.
Anchi.
Auntie. Zimbel.
No. Anchi anta.
Auntie Anta.
Yes, anta. Yes.
In Odishallo. Let me say that too. Now I'll tell her some Korean words. Even though I know only bad words. Picasso.
Slowly.
Picasso.
Picasso. I will say 아저씨. I think 아저씨 means for a man. Okay. 아저씨.
Achisa.
No.
Like achisayo.
No, not sayo. It's the person. 아저씨.
Achisa.
아저씨.
Chincha or achis?
There's no chincha.
Again.
아저씨. I think
Hey,
I'm
here,
right.
not hard word.
Right. Huh?
Don't make it too hard.
No, it's not hard.
Okay.
She.
Achisu.
Not
아저씨.
she.
S.
She.
Again.
I'm sorry.
Picasso.
No. Just she. She. Just she.
Achishi.
Yes.
What's that word?
I think so. It means man. A big.
You think or you are sure?
I'm sure.
I got it. Sarangi. Speak. Oh, I thought you know the meaning. Sarangi. I know. I thought you got the word.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking to them. Sarangi.
사랑해. Nothing to lose.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe, you hit that like button, and smash. You have to smash it. Like, why am I? You have to smash that like button. Pop.
Okay,
Yeah. I'm not going to kill you. So guys, let's get that 100 subscribers as soon as possible. Like, so good of the happen. So my name is Sugar. So good of the happen. What is salamin